aboard.
Well, good morning there, sports fans. Welcome back to the channel. Where in the world is Wayne going today? Well, I am currently sitting here at the Victoria International Airport in Victoria, British Columbia, and I am on my way to Portland, Oregon. So what am I going to do in Portland? Well, I'm picking up a 1250 GS, and I'm going to ride it from Portland down to Long Beach, California. And why would I be doing that? Okay, well, there's a company called MotoQuest. They're a huge tour company. They do tours all over the world. But some of their main tours are taking Americans and whoever else wants to go up to Alaska. So they have locations in Portland, Oregon and Long Beach, California. They have tours that people fly into Portland, then they ride motorcycles up to Anchorage. Now they've got motorcycles in Anchorage. Then they have other tours, people fly into Anchorage and then ride down to Portland, Oregon. So they have an inventory of bikes sitting in Portland, Oregon that they need transported down to Long Beach, California. And I happen to be one of the lucky ones that gets to take one of their bikes down there for them. Now it's not free. I pay to ride their motorcycle, but I don't pay very much. So it's a huge benefit to them, but it's also a huge benefit to me because I'm in the market for a new motorcycle right now, and this 1250 GS is on my short list. So anyway, gonna head out here this morning, should pick up the bike, be all set by noon today, and then I'm gonna hit the road. I've got 11 days to get it down to Long Beach, California, and it's only about 1,000 miles, so it's really a 4-day trip for a lot of people, and I've got 11 days to just mosey my way down the coast. Anyway, stay tuned. All right, sports fans, well, I have made it down to Portland, Oregon. Here is my steed for the next 11 days or so, BMW 1250 GS. It's got about 65,000 miles on it. Picking up here at MotoQuest in Portland, Oregon, and gonna go see my son this afternoon, and then I'll hit the road tomorrow. And now I am starting to head south. So today's route is going to take me from Portland here, I'm actually in Oregon City, down through Eugene on I-5, so it'll be a bit boring here first thing, and then I'm going to head across, head west over to Reedsport and the coast, and eventually make it to Bandon, Oregon this evening. So that's the plan for today. Let's go for a ride. All right, folks. So we made it off the boring part of today's ride, which was Interstate 5, going down from Oregon City past Eugene. I have now gotten off the highway and onto Highway 38, which is going to take me west to the coast over to Reedsport, Oregon. And so I will be on the coast hopefully for the next week or so. That's my goal. Everything is weather dependent. You know, if it's really nasty weather, then I'll head inland a little bit. But so far, I mean, just look at this day, right? So far, it has been glorious. And it's been, you know, cloudy, a little misty in the mornings, but by the afternoon it all burns off and we get this. So pretty spectacular. I'm very, very pleased with the weather. Anyway, let's go to the coast. Ciao. And if you decide to take one of these transporter specials down the Oregon and California coast, here's a small sampling of some of the spectacular things you get to see. So, I am taking the first of two scenic byways today. This is the Newton B. Drury Scenic Byway, and it parallels Highway 101 here. And this goes right through the Redwoods National Forest. So again, this is something I've wanted to do for a long time, and always bypassed it because of weather or just being in a hurry. And this time I'm going to stop and smell the coffee. All right, let's go. These trees are giants, but later today I'm going to ride through a scenic parkway called Avenue of the Giants. I don't know which are bigger, these or the ones on the Avenue of the Giants, but these are gorgeous. All right, so I made it to my second scenic byway today. This is called the Avenue of the Giants. I don't know if these trees are bigger than the ones I went through before, if they're smaller, or if they're the same. Of course, I'm no tree expert, so I'll leave it up to you, but we are now gonna go check out the Avenue of the Giants. Pretty cool. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I have a National Park pass. Okay. You need ID as well?
It's okay. Just show me the pass.
Yep.
You want the map?
No, I think I'll be all right.
All right, sir.
Lifetime senior.
Good, sir. You are good to go.
Thank you very much.
Go stay home for right there.
Yep, thank you. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's just about 45 minutes on this road. You'll see the end street, okay?
Yeah, I'm going to do a loop all the way around, so well, it took me about, map said 4 hours from Lindsay this morning, so should be fun.
Have fun.
Thank you. right, well, good morning, sports fans. Where in the world is Wayne this morning? Well, this is Sunday morning. It is day 10 of my transporting a motorcycle trip. I am staying up in the mountains here in Southern California in a little town called Fraser Park. And I'm staying up in the mountains here because I have hit unseasonably hot weather the last week. I got into Ukiah, California last Monday, and it was 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And ever since then, I've been riding through this unbearable heat with my full riding gear on. So I decided, let me come up into these hills and perhaps the temperature would be a little better, and it has been. So today I'm riding down to my final resting place. I've got a hotel in Redondo Beach in LA. It's kind of halfway between the LA airport and Long Beach. Tomorrow I will return the motorcycle to MotoQuest. They're open on Monday, not Sunday, so I'm going to return that tomorrow. Spend tomorrow night near the airport and then fly home on Tuesday. So anyway, it's been a great trip. I love this motorcycle. It is definitely on my short list now. Anyway, should be a pretty short ride today. I should stay fairly cool. It will be warm, but I don't think it'll be horrible. It's probably already approaching 90 right now, but I don't know that it'll get too much warmer than that. So, all right, let's go for a ride. All right, folks. So today is the conclusion of my transporting a motorcycle trip. Just a quick recap. I'm transporting this motorcycle from MotoQuest, big tour company. Transported it from Portland, Oregon, down to Long Beach, California. I've now arrived in Long Beach, California. First stop is I got to get some fuel. I'll wait for this bus. Because they charge $10 a gallon if you don't bring it back full, which is typical. Rental car companies do the same thing. I'm not worried about that, so I'll just stop and get some fuel here. And then MotoQuest is only a block or two away from here, and we'll go take the bike to them. So, okay. Full up. Time to go turn in the motorcycle. She's been a beaut. I've really enjoyed riding this thing. She's just great. She is on my short list. So let's see what happens when I get back home. My plan is when I get back home, I'm going to go to Vancouver for a couple of days, go to a bunch of motorcycle shops, go to Victoria for a day, there's not that many there, but I'll check out what's there and then see if I can narrow things down, see if I can find a deal. Coming out of nowhere here. All right, let's see if we can find MotoQuest. Should be very close here. This next road, it says. BMW motorcycles. Okay. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Are you Nate?
Oh, no, I'm Justin. Nate's not in today. But you're returning today, correct?
I'm returning a bike.
Yeah. Do you want to bring it around back in the alley?
Yeah, I can do that.
Awesome.
Yep,
Thank you.
perfect.
And one more thing. It's filled up, correct?
What's that?
The fuel?
Oh yeah, I just filled it up
awesome.
with the 76.
Cool, thank you.
Yep.
I was running for you.
She was great. I just really enjoyed this motorcycle.
Right, there you have it, folks. Dropping off the motorcycle. There's lots of beauties here. Mostly BMWs, but some new ones, some 850s. I think they've got some 900s too. There's a 750. Lots of great ones. Okay, well, let's shut her down. Listen, if you enjoyed this series of videos, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next ride. Ciao.